Deck boss, this is the bridge.
We've got a heavy mark. Get the nets ready to set now.
Haul her up, keep the tension on the cork line. Watch the McGrail position.
Steady the lines. Bring it over the chute now. Watch the swing.
These vessels then transport the catch to shore, where it is transferred into heavy refrigerated vehicles or containers.
Temperature check passed. Releasing pallet 1 to the conveyor.
The fish are then thoroughly washed with high-pressure water to remove salt, blood, and impurities.
As you can see, the rotating drum and these high-pressure sprays provide complete coverage, lifting away any remaining salt or blood. After cleaning, they move into a pre-cooking stage, where they are steamed or baked under controlled temperatures. Following the pre-cooking stage, the tuna is cooled and moved to the cleaning lines, where the skin and bones are meticulously removed by hand.
Make sure the bloodline is completely removed before it moves to the next station.
The remaining clean tuna meat is separated into flakes or chunks, depending on the final product type, ensuring consistent quality and texture.
The cans are then sealed tightly to make them airtight, which is essential for long-term preservation. Next, the sealed cans undergo a sterilization process in large pressure chambers known as retorts. Finally, the finished cans are labeled, packed into cartons, and prepared for distribution.
They are transported through logistics networks to supermarkets and global markets, completing a highly efficient process that
They are transported through logistics networks to supermarkets and global markets, completing a highly efficient process.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using VO3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.